How to become a web front-end developer in 2024? This is the Beginner's Bootcamp, and here I will take you by the hand from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. By the way, this is just a sample of what you will get on my course on Udemy, Become a Web Front-End Developer 2024 Beginner's Bootcamp. If you want to have the full version, head to my description link. Also, another thing that we can note is that the HTML tags are not case sensitive. What do I mean by that is you can use P like that and P like that. If I save this, you should see no difference. The browser will see no difference whether you put capital P or you put a small p. The lower cases or cases are actually read the same by the browser, but a good programming technique is to use always lower cases. Another thing is you can also use double quotes here, or you can use single quotes. It's the same. We save it, and you will see that the browser makes no difference between double quotes or single quotes, but it's recommended once again to use double quotes. Now we're gonna talk, now that we have a good grasp, we know the basics of HTML, we're gonna talk about block versus inline elements. There are two important categories of elements to know in HTML. You have the block level elements and inline elements. What do we mean by that? As you can see over here, the P element, the H1 element, the H2, H3, H4, even this one, the A, they are all displayed in blocks, which means, so I'm gonna put another paragraph here and a second one, and I'm just gonna put like this third paragraph. I do Control S to save, and then I reload. As you can see, even though I put them on the same line, over here it will display in block, which means it's not on the same line, because the P element, it's a block element. Now let's get another example over here, and instead we're gonna use another element, the EM or M italic element. Look what's gonna happen. As you can see over here, first, second, even though they are on the same line here, when they display, they will be on the same line here also. Over here we have the P element on the same line, but when they display on a different line. Let me zoom so you can see a little bit better. So as you can see, first, second over here, and third, they are displayed on the same line. Later on we're gonna use CSS to actually control the block and the inline in a better way, in a better manner. For now, this is what you need to know, is that some elements are block elements and some elements are inline elements. Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with sought-after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now. The ultimate beginner's guide in 2022. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.